Welcome to my channel, Ningning ni Neneng. Papunta tayo guys sa Old Dubai, kung saan nandun daw yung gold souk at bilihan ng mga iba't ibang Arab spices, yung mga iba't ibang pangrekado nila sa mga pagkain. Green, let's go. Ne işi var çölde Osmanlı'nın?
Inside.
Inside. Inside. Mabuti. Thank you. Wow. Ang lamig. Chocolate ito, Lucky. Chocolate. Oo. Amazing. Oh, wow. Ang ganda dito. Ay, ito ang saffron, no? Is the one for the best, for the rice.
Huh?
Yan yung saffron.
Ano para saan ba yan?
Sa pagkain sa rice, for the rice.
Ha?
Oo. Oh, amazing. Okay. Buti pa si ate.
Excuse me, everybody stand here. We will explain you about of some things.
Okay.
Raza. चला गरम पानी देव
Gold soup. World's biggest ring. Great Guinness World Record. See? Look at the girl.
5.17 kilograms. Okay.
Ang gaganda, guys.
Order, you can buy it. Just make sure you have a bodyguard with you because you want to get mugged and have that boat spit out. So, oh, and this lady over here, Yoli. Yoli.
Hello,
is
how are you
Filipino. She's
guys?
from Ireland.
Nice
She's
to
from
see you
Ireland.
guys.
She's here with her husband, and we came on the same bus. And she's saying Ireland is beautiful as well. So definitely adding that on the list of places to visit. So they have some local also famous, a lot of very friendly.
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Gold Souk ng Dubai. Halika, mag-explore tayo, window shopping. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Lahat naglalapitan sila guys, nagtatanong ng bili-bili daw. Sabi ko wag muna. Mag-explore muna kami. Ayan. Lakad-lakad muna tayo guys. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-ano. Ang alam ko nga dito nga eh.
Yung malaking ring.
Mamaya baka ibang gate yun.
Ha?
Diyan sa bandarian sa gitna. Kasi lumakad tayo ng diretsyo doon eh. Nag-apura tayo, lumakad tayo ng diretsyo dito eh. Yan na guys, papasok na kami.
Parang bungad to eh.
Hindi nga bungad, naglakad nga tayo ng malayo pa. Papunta dyan sa ano natin.
Bungad yun sa isang kalye.
Oo. Pero ito yung nilakad natin na mahaba, papalabas. My love. Ang dami nilang tinda guys, oh. Mga spice. Yan, oh, ang daming mga spice. Pangpag. Ang dami. Oh. Lakad-lakad muna tayo, guys. Ito yung binilhan natin ng Ricardo eh. Ito nga pa eh. They have their different spice here, guys. Si Ading ina-assist niya kami, taga-Apayaw daw siya. Sabi ko magkapitbahay kami, taga Santiago kami. Ito yung pinagpipilian ng mga rings, wedding rings for mag-asawa. Namimili siya.
naman to.
Opo, parehas po.
Pareha. Kunin ni Darlene na pang wedding ring namin. Gift niya daw sa akin kahapon.
Anniversary niyo kahapon na?
O sige, yan na lang, Ading.
At sa ano pa po, sir? 4 to 4.
How many minutes?
Wait lang po, mama. More spices. So I know I'm gonna back for some tea. Uh-oh. There we go. It's
Wow.
time to go back to the bus.
20 guests can sit. So I'm going to book for you people 2 boats, okay? So whoever reach before than me there, Dera Dubai, that stop, please wait for me, okay? So then after that we all will go to the old souk, old bazaar, where we are going to show you the local fruits, different type of dates, chocolates, some dresses, pashmina, local ether, and some other things. If you want to buy within time, then you can buy. And then the next step, we are going to show you the gold market. So we don't have time to buy gold, because for gold we need more time, 2 to 3 hours, because you people are tourists. They will ask you passports, many things, so we don't have time. But in small time we can buy local fruits.
Why did you gold star?
Hindi pa daw. Basar lang.
So that is up to you also. If something we are going to show you, something you like, then you can buy also. So now we are here, Bar Dubai, Abra place. So please.
Much, guys, for your love and support on this channel. I love you, I love you, I love you.